Are you curious about how to create a UK or US TikTok account from anywhere in the world? It's easier than you think. In this video, I'll guide you through a straightforward process to set up a US or UK TikTok account from anywhere. Stick around and let's get started. What's up, geniuses? Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to set up a US or UK TikTok account with your smartphone. But before I get into the tutorial, if you're just tuning in for the first time, my name is Favor. I'm an online income coach, a tech savvy, and a crypto trader. I coach people on how to make money online with their smartphone, and I share interesting tech hacks with tricks on this channel. If you're interested in learning more, then kindly give this video a like, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates I share on this channel. Thank you. Before we dive into the process, let's quickly talk about why a foreign TikTok account like the US or UK TikTok accounts could be a game changer. Actually, a foreign TikTok account like the US or UK account allows you to target audience from the US or UK, and it also allows you to gain access to TikTok monetization program whereby you earn money from posting your natural content on TikTok. And in this video, I'll be showing you a straightforward process on how to set up an account in any of these regions. No need of a foreign number, no need of a VPN. All we need is just the TikTok app and our Google account. To create a foreign TikTok account, you need the main TikTok app, not the TikTok Lite app. So if you don't have the TikTok app on your phone, you can go ahead and download it directly from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. So now, once you have downloaded the TikTok app on your device, just open the TikTok app. Go over to Profile or come over to this option here and click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll to the bottom and click on Switch Account. Then I'll add an account. So I'll click on Add Account. So if you are just trying to create a fresh TikTok account, this is how it will look like. But if you have TikTok logged in, then the process we just follow, the process that I just passed earlier, that's how you should follow it. By going to your profile, to your settings, then you try to switch account. So now, since we are trying to create a TikTok account, you click on this option that says Nigeria. Click on it and you search for United States or United Kingdom. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll select United Kingdom. So now it has been changed to United Kingdom. So what we need to do next is to click on Continue with Google. If you want to register, don't register with your phone number. Don't register with Facebook and don't continue with email. Continue with Google. So I'll click on Continue with Google. Once it loads up, I'll quickly select the Google account that I want to use to set up this UK TikTok account. So let me quickly select the Google account I want to use. Once you select the Google account you want to use, TikTok will ask you to put in your date of birth. So I'll just quickly set a random date of birth. And I'll click on Next. Then I'll set my nickname. Click on Continue. Accept. I'll need to show you a proof that this account that I just created is actually a real UK TikTok account. So, and to do that, I'll just quickly click on the profile. Go to this option here, then click on TikTok Studio. And as you can see on this option that has monetization, you can see the second one says Creators Reward Program. That's one of the proof that this account that we just created is a UK TikTok account. You see, if it's a Nigeria account, you won't find this Creators Reward Program. Don't worry, I'll switch over to my Nigeria TikTok account and show you a proof of that. This is the number one proof that this account is a real UK account. As you can see, we have the creator rewards program. Let me show you the number 2 proof. I'll go back, click on this option again, and click on balance. Now, as you can see, guys, you can look closely at this place that says life reward. If it's a Nigeria account, it will be showing you NGN, but this is a UK account, so it's showing us pounds, which is the British pounds, the currency of the UK. So that's the number 2 proof. So that's how a UK TikTok account will be like once you create a UK TikTok account. So I'll quickly switch over to my Nigeria TikTok account so you see the difference between the one I just created, the UK TikTok account, and the Nigeria TikTok account. So let me quickly switch over to my Nigeria TikTok account. So now, guys, I am now on my Nigeria TikTok account. So I'll go over to this option here, click on creator tools, and as you can see now, on this option monetization, you can find creators reward program. You see, because this is a Nigeria TikTok account, all what you can see here is subscription, work with artists, video gifts. But on the UK account, you will find creators reward program. That's the proof 1. So I'll go back again, go to settings, go over to balance, and show you the proof 2. And this is the proof 2, guys. You can see the currency that is showing on this live reward area is NGN, but on the UK TikTok account that we just created not quite long ago, is showing pounds. It's showing pounds as the currency. So that's it, guys. You have seen the proof and you have seen the difference between the Nigeria TikTok account and a foreign TikTok account like the UK TikTok account. So guys, that's how to create a UK TikTok account. So if you want to create a US TikTok account, the process is also the same. All you need to do is just to change the country from Nigeria to the United States, or change it from Nigeria to the UK, whichever country you want to create your TikTok account from. So guys, that's it about this tutorial. But before you go, here is a quick tip. Before using that TikTok account that you just created, that UK TikTok account, once you create the account successfully, make sure you don't upload a profile, don't put a bio, don't use the account to do anything, don't even watch video from the account. Leave the account as it is once you create the account, and log out of that account and leave the account for 48 hours before you come back to the account and start using the account. So the process and the method will be more effective, so it will work effective well for you. So guys, that is it about this tutorial. I believe this tutorial has helped you. If you got value from this video, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. And you can also share this video with your friends, anyone that is looking for a way to create a foreign TikTok account. If you have any questions, the comments is open. Make sure you leave the question in the comment section. Thank you for watching again, and see you on the next one.